Well, ladies and gents, we started off from here again. There's nothing on at the Gilly Gardens at the minute, so we don't know why we started there. Anyway, welcome to a nice, cold, cloudy Westford Ho. Who knows what's real and what's fake, but most of it's fake. This lower fluffy stuff down here is real, and all that stuff behind it, just the grey haze up above that cloud, is basically bollocks. Anyway, enough of that. There's a Skywatch bundle. Because I don't edit, can't join them together. There's loads of like minute videos, and I'm sure when I put up 10-minute videos in a row, you get up there at the weekend.
Hey?
Yeah, I don't suppose you're in the right. That one's just floated on in. Now, someone was saying, is it an old wreck or is it whatever? But it's these things that were put in. What are they called? Something or another. Because I thought it was an old wreck. But apparently there's another name for it. And I see there's those poles over there now. Now it's got quite low. Anyway, we won't spend 10 minutes on the... He likes appearing in my... He likes appearing on my YouTube channel, doesn't he? He comes down the road last bloody time. Yeah. He can give me a lift if he wants. Well, he can just give me a ride around. Whatever. Oh, I thought he'd stop for me then. There's a car coming. Right, anyway. So the devastating news. Devastating news. Two bits of devastating news. One is, this is the worst actually, since not filming in the Hobarts and the whatevers, and not going in for there that much, when I went in the other day, the T7 is gone. The only T7 or Barcrest based digi machine they had in there is gone, so there's not much for me to film in there now anyways. Doesn't really matter now, does it? A bit of Cash Lab and Pac-Man, well, we can still go in and make 5-10 quid out of them here and there. It's not something we need to bore you guys doing, is it? Hang on, what's this cat saying? Think yourself lucky I feature the thing. If you don't want me advertising, it's the one I advertise any of it. Anyway, second bit of devastating news. Well, some good news. We've got a bit of breather on the space on the flat because they're all complete idiots and they've completely screwed up whatever there. So me and the landlord's out for them now. So they've messed with the wrong fuckers this time. Excuse the French. At least have the things correct when you're trying to do whatever. We've still got the Navy training out there. The second bit of devastating news. We lost about 30 quid last night. And then did a bonus video and lost another tenner. So that's taken us now down to just below, roundabouts, 125 down for the whole of the year, that is. Some people spend 10 times that in a session, don't they? Is this a bloody crab pot things? What is that? Is that a tent? Has someone put a tent there, or is it a crab? It's a tent, isn't it? There's a tent on the beach. I don't see any dinghies coming across the water, but hey, you never know when that'll happen next. Yes, so the bonus £10, I mean, it was rocky, really, was the extra 15 quid, wasn't it? I had about 5 or 6 bloody dings, pretty much in a bloody row as well. Don't even know if that was there when I looked. Big shout Herbie, big shout Jim. Jim Bean, how you doing, buddy? Right, come on. I think, which one did we have the on the other day, or the first one? No, I'm not going to do it, Jim. Because you shout at me. Ah, shit. That's a bummer. Oh, that's all right. Do 2.5.25. They do that. Very rare. It will go up through the winds. The £5 ones do it more. Let's do it now. Oh. It's all right, though. Still going, guys and girls. Still going. Yeah, so we don't want to come down doing 40 quids too often and whatever. We're not going to be coming down every night anyway. Oh, that's it. Let's just stick another quid in. Yes, if we manage to get back to Profit Land in the next 3 weeks, that'll be 3 years running in Profit Land on the fruits. not Profit Land all the time, and in fact the last couple of years, well the last year and a half, I've actually spent more time out of Profit Land than in it. But once we've got back in it again, we've been fine. We're only in it this year, aren't we now, because of the pokers, as I'm sure all of you regular watchers know that I've got away with this one with the skin of my teeth. That could have been a little bit more for me, couldn't it? I might put another quid in that one actually. Just paid for the gambles on here so far. Let's go and get a quid or two in that bloody Rocky. Down there! Yep, so big shouts, big thumbs up to everybody. Oh, that's not it. If it had been that X there, it would have been a jackpot. I'm going to just let it do it itself now, just for a bit of luck. Or a secret nudge that I don't know about. I don't think there's a 5 real extra nudge on that one. Or 6 or whatever it is. Let's just get rid of that. Right, Mr. Freedom Fruits, Concept King. J77, Guy Madison, Seaside Slot Sessions. You will notice that when I get to a certain machine and do a certain thing, I'm like, oh, this is this gang of people that I need to remember to give a shout to. I wouldn't be able to remember it any other way. There's so many shouts going on. Well, Mark went up for a little interview today. Well, he's got to go back again. What is this? I don't know what they are, that's the trouble. I think I'm going to have to ask, that's chorizo. Let's grab a cup. Big in Japan tonight. Yes, Brian, we've got this one on vinyl as well. Big shout, Brian the Mod Father. Hope you're feeling a bit better, mate. Hope those stitches are out. And I hope I don't make you laugh too much, because normally I've got him in stitches. But all joking aside, get well soon, my buddy. We need our Brian back to full. Right, okay, so this is another new game for you. We played a new one last night and got a feature, didn't we? So let's play another new one. See if we can do the same. Oh, look, it's on a... Oh, no, did they stay like that on? No, I guess they... Oh, does he just pop every now and again then or something? Oh, sugar. Oh, get in there. Get on. Let's just collect it. I'm happy with 25 spins, guys. I could have gambled that, but I'm not too... No, not on that. Oh, get in there. Come on. What are we going to get? Probably about 16 quid or something crap. Come on. Let's get a pot. Where's your pots up there? Come on, if we can get £100... If we could get over 100 quid now, it's a shame. How much are bars on here? If we could get over 100 quid on this, we would be nearly in profit again for the whole... Oh, and they popped that, can re-trigger. All right, I'm quite liking this one. Not just because I've got those spins quick, but something said, as soon as I seen him come up, I was like, oh, that one. Oh, come on. Oh, look how big he's got. Look how big he's just got. Oh my gosh, please pop him again. We've got another 15 spins to pop. Oh, this is where it goes. Does he stay that size now then? Or does he stay that size even when I come off the game? Is it one of those things that... Come on, we need that retrig. We've only got 8 credits. It ain't going to do it, is it? Oh. Oh, it has. Get in. Get in, my lovelies. How many spins is that? 40? Oh, look at all the... Double. So if you get all 5, oh, crikey, he's big again already. Come on, he needs another retrig then. Come on, I'm going to struggle at getting... Come on, only 6 games left. I guess if they go all the way across, they the wind's dried right up. Oh! Getting 63 spins, what are we going to get? Oh my crikey, he's up there again already, look. Come on, he should pop again, shouldn't he? Probably won't now, it's all the way down there, but... Oh, that wouldn't have... It's hard to get any big wins, isn't it? Especially good... Oh, come on. I thought he was going to do it then. Come on. I'm getting a lot of spins, but not a lot of money. Yeah, we're doing all right, guys, aren't we? 75 spins. Come on, I want to get a 250 pot up there. How'd you get a pot? Oh. How'd you get a pot? Don't know. I haven't even done my coffee yet. I haven't finished my coffee yet, ladies and gents. It'll be cold before I... Come on, get this. It's alright, that's a nice amount for £3, guys. Well, it didn't even... How much did it cost me? £1? 2 credits or something? I don't even know. Come on, let's get that open again. 10 credits to get some more spins. Seven, 6, 5. Come on. I do like this one, it's good, isn't it? Well, just because it's got the feature and whatever, but it's quite good. Oh, he's not going to do it, is he? Come on, I need another ding. Oh well, it was over. There you go, 49 quid for 75 spins. Cost us £3. What happens now? Right. I'd have gone on for some more spins then. It's not bad. It's only a bit less than being half down, isn't it? Well, minus what I've put in. Yeah, if that 16 had gone, I was going to go up for 20 or 30 spins again then. Oh yeah, we didn't even finish all our auto credits on that. Nice. So, which one did we play last night and we got something? That one with all the rows of things. Oh, it was Riley's charm, wasn't it? So that's 2. Yeah, so I don't know if they've got any, I don't think they've got any bar crest, whatever's up the road now. I'm only having 1 or 2 goes on. I needed him to hit in the middle, didn't I? I've seen that one before. Alright, that'll do. Nice entertaining videos for you lovelies. A couple credits on here. A few goes on the thingy next door. That could have been more. A switch for Jace. Jason Lane, big shouts always. Oh, nice. 20 quid as well. Well, that's all right, hey. This will soon be time to get out the door, won't it? Hey. If that wouldn't have been there, that would have been actually about 50, 60 quid, you know. That was on a switch as well, that 20 quid. That's a shame, Johnny boy. I would have loved to feature there, wouldn't we? Alright, off of there. Couple in Rocky and we're gone. And I want to recover. Right, what I've done there is I've put £3 coins in from the 20 I'll start with. So we start with 20, we've got 63 in there, 3 in there, and we've got that. So that's last night's balls up back. Soon be time to get out the door. That's an unusual one. Oh! Yeah, that one's only just gone. Don't know what he was. Don't think he was that big. Oh, 8 quid. How did I get 8 quid? Right, well, the pot's just gone on there, as I've seen, but that's a very weird... That's a very weird 2 spins in a row. I don't know how I got 8 quid, though. I'm confused. 4 stars is 3 quid. 4 queens is 5 quid. I don't know. Let's do a switch. And one more. Did you see the video where I got a pot on a reset? I knew I had that video somewhere. I'm sure people were saying that, well, where is it then? You haven't found it. And I'm like, I will find it one day. I have got the video. I don't say I've got a video if I haven't got it. Or I don't say I've filmed a video if I've never filmed it. Oh my god. I have got a photograph of the Rainbow Riches full screen which Kirsty had somewhere. I think I've got it on an old phone or on my cloud in the photos. Keep taking their money. That's what that means to me. Always remember, don't gamble if you can't afford to. And people say about how do I do so much content? I don't pay for any of it, as you realise. I didn't have any YouTube money to count in the whole process of profits and losses and whatever, so I don't count any of that in my profits and losses. At the minute, we're knocking less than 50 quid down for the whole year, so yeah, get in there. And just one pot will feature in the next few days, and we are going to be back there. Let that 50p and have an extra £1 go. Better put that 60 quid in my wallet in a minute. You guys have got another awesome video. I've got some machines to fix as well. So there's going to be some fixed whatevers. John, yes. Get your machines ready for you, buddy, and you can come and have a look and see what else is there. There's all the disclaimers in my descriptions always. It's an over 18 channel only. Blah, blah, blah. So if you're younger than 18, get off. That's a bloody shame, really. That ace there would have been, it might have even been 2 lots, mightn't it? Let's get on this last 2 in there, and then we're nearly done, you know. 40, 50 quid up, we're nearly done. Alright, a couple in the jacks are better, 2 in each. And then your video is going to end, just to knock off the profits from the losses. I noticed one day I was doing this and I actually went past it, and I bet the people out watching were going, "Oh, you've just gone past it, you idiot." Oh, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Bugger, that would have been nice, a little flush there, wouldn't it? A nice little 15 quid flush that would have been. That was a shame, wasn't it? I was hoping for something else to go with that. I haven't gone lower than a good card and won before yet. I went lower, because if that had won, we had a joker there. It was worth going lower in that instance. I wouldn't have done it if I'd been on 15 or 20 quid. It would have been bang, bang, bang. Collect, collect, collect. Right, we're going to go Tesco. I think appetizer's still on offer. It's one of the only drinks without sugar in it anymore, without sweetener in it. I mean, let's see what we're up. We start with 20, so we're at 40 in the pocket. 41, 44, 45, 48, 50, 55, 58 something. We knocked a couple of quid off yesterday, didn't we? So we're going to say we're £60 up. So that puts us now only 45. That puts us 65 down for the whole year, because we were 125 down. We've just made £60, 65 down. Perfect. That's right, and that's last night's balls up back. Thought I was going to get something on that Rocky, you know. But we'll do our little tickle again tomorrow, because that's what we do. I could sit there and chase a feature and lose 300 or 400 quid in one sitting, whereas if I just patient and wait my time, I know I'll get a pot and a big win and a shed load of money for hardly anything one day, because it always has happened, so therefore it always will. If you can believe it'll happen, it will happen. The question I get is why. See you later. Thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and always remember, gamble with care.